Hey YouTube! Welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be going over some free DIY Valentine gifts to get for your significant other. If you're a broke college student like me and have a significant other and are finding ways to show them your love this Valentine's Day, this is a video for you. The first DIY item we have are these pennant name tags, which are super easy to make. I made this out of different shades of felt paper. Another gift idea is a pool table gift box. Inside my table pool gift box, I included pictures of us on the lid, and I also included more pool balls inside, which carry my favorite memories of us together. Another really good gift idea are matcha guides. And for the booklet I made, I simply designed it all on Canva using their free graphics. So everything that you see in the collage is free. The ending page is a piece of leftover felt from the first arts and craft. The last final easy arts and craft that you can make for your significant other is a collage mixed in an initial of their name. For this one, I bought a piece of wooden initial and then I covered it in blue paper because my boyfriend's favorite color is blue, and then I just put my favorite pics of us all over the letter and covered it with ribbon. And that's it for this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. Bye!